Welcome to my YouTube channel, Videos with AI OQ4KC. The human brain is a complex organ that consists of various structures and regions, each serving different functions. Here are some of the key components of the human brain. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking, perception, and decision-making. It is divided into two hemispheres, the left and right, and is further divided into four lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. Cerebellum. Located at the back of the brain, the cerebellum plays a role in motor coordination, balance, and posture. Brainstem. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls basic functions such as breathing, heart rate, and digestion. It consists of three parts: the medulla oblongata, the pons, and the midbrain. Thalamus. The thalamus acts as a relay station, receiving sensory information from various parts of the body and relaying it to the appropriate areas of the brain for processing. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus regulates vital functions such as body temperature, hunger, thirst, and sleep-wake cycles. It also controls the release of hormones from the pituitary gland. Hippocampus. The hippocampus is involved in memory formation and spatial navigation. Amygdala. The amygdala plays a role in processing emotions, particularly fear and aggression. Basal ganglia. The basal ganglia are involved in movement control, reward processing, and habit formation. Corpus callosum. This is a bundle of nerve fibers that connects the two hemispheres of the brain, allowing them to communicate and coordinate their functions. Ventricles. These are fluid-filled spaces within the brain that produce and circulate cerebrospinal fluid, which provides cushioning and nutrients to the brain. These are just some of the structures within the human brain, and the brain as a whole is a highly complex and interconnected organ responsible for a wide range of cognitive, emotional, and physiological functions. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel with your family, friends, and peers.